This is how you're going to use Zoho Notebook. First, you're going to download and open the Zoho Notebook app, either the desktop or the mobile version, whatever you have or whatever you prefer. So for me, I'm going to use the website version. Now we're going to click on the plus icon right here at the top right corner of your screen. So here you will find all of the things that you can do. You can write, you can have a capture, you can do a to-do list, you can attach files, you can draw, add an audio or a video. You can also create a new notebook or a new noteboard. So for this one, let's just try writing. We're going to click on write, and then from there we can add a note card. So we can type in whatever we want to take notes of right here, and then we can also do a checklist. If you just click on this checklist button, you can add a link. You can also add an image or a file, whatever you want, and then you can organize, rearrange, and use the search bar to quickly find information across all your notebooks and cards. So if you want to access all of your notebooks, you can just click on notebooks right here, and then you're just gonna have to, you can add a new notebook if you want. You can just click on this plus icon right here and then click on notebook, and this creates another notebook for you. Now you also have access to your noteboards right here. Again, you can create another noteboard. So maybe this one is your personal noteboard, and we want to create a noteboard for our business. So I'm going to click on plus icon once again. I'm going to click on noteboard, and then this one, I'm going to name this my work noteboard. Now everything that is work related will be put into here, and everything that is my personal notes will be put into here, and that's it. You can also have a shared noteboard and notebooks if you want. So you can just add a person right here, or you can just collect the link of your noteboard or your notebook if you want it to be shared. And that's it. That is the basic use of notebook, or the Zoho Notebook. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.